Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC on your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. You have to start by open the application, and right here we have ambient control. Click on it, and firstly you need to enable ANC, so just tap on it, or you can use the gesture for it, and right here we can change ANC level. So to increase it, just move it to the right, and right here we have the three options: minimum, the middle one, and the max one. So to lower it, just move it to the left, and just make something good for you. I'm going with the maximum, I guess. It's the best one for me, but you can change something else. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!